to talk a lot about prepared foods because I work a lot of hours and I'm lazy, so prepared foods are easy. But in the most instances, they're not gluten-free. I mean, Hamburger Helper's got pasta in it. A lot of these, they have couscous or other, types of pasta. So you're not going to find anything gluten-free here. Rice-a-roni, not gluten-free. I mean, pasta-roni, you can't get any less gluten-free than that. Zatarians, I think that's how you say it. That brand actually is gluten-free, but I don't see it here. So we'll have to see if further down the aisle that might be around. Mac and cheese, unfortunately, as delicious as it is not gluten-free. But hopefully, when we find the gluten-free section, we will find the great value version of this, which is actually really delicious. The Mahatma brand here, red beans and rice, is gluten-free on it, so there's an option for you. Rice is naturally gluten-free, just make sure there's no seasoning in it. Also, they have boil-in bag quinoa. I'm sorry, I just think it should be pronounced quinoa, but what do I know? I always have to squeeze that in there because I'm a pain in the neck. But yeah, rice is always a good option. Oop, over here we have some more quinoa. We have a lot of it. Right next to couscous, so don't accidentally grab the couscous when you want the rice. Okay, so I found the Zatarians, sorry. And actually, I have just learned that they are not all gluten-free. This red beans and rice is not gluten-free, but the dirty rice is. And you can see they have a GF right on the front. So that's what you need to look for. There you have it. In this same aisle, I have located the Hispanic foods. And the seasonings here are not gluten-free, it seems. Interestingly, McCormick does have some gluten-free ones, and they are labeled as such. So those might be in the spice section. So I recommend you taking a look for those. But these are not gluten-free, sadly.